Hey everyone, Ashley here, and this is the makeup look I'm going to be creating today. I use the Urban Decay and Naked palettes, and let's just jump right in. I'm starting out by applying the Urban Decay Primer Potion on my eyelids, and then blending out with my finger. First, I'm dipping into the shade Naked with a Morphe blending brush, and I'm going to be applying this into my crease. I'm just focusing it on the portion above my eye first, not worrying about the outer corner. Just applying the color at first and then blending out the top edge upwards. Next, I'm going to build the outer corner by applying an upward slope of the same shadow in the outer corner and then connecting it with the rest. And then just softly blending out the top edge to diffuse everything. Next, with the same Morphe blending brush in the color Buck, I'm going to apply this into the outer corner, being sure to maintain that V shape, but just adding a little bit of depth and then sweeping it onto the lid, adding it lower into the crease and then blending it upwards. With a flat eyeshadow brush from Huda Beauty in the shade Sin, I'm going to go ahead and apply this onto my lid. I'm just slowly feathering this on and then sweeping it out towards the outer corner about 2/3 of the way in. And then I'm bringing it up a little ways above my crease line so you can see it when I'm looking forward. Just softly feathering the edges. As you can see here, I'm bringing it up a little ways, covering the whole lid and kind of creating a hard line with the eyeshadow at the top of my eye here. And then just feathering the outer corner. I'm going back in with the blending brush. We applied the browns and just blending out the outer corner again, just in case a little bit was wiped away. With the flat eyeshadow brush from Huda Beauty again in the shade Virgin, I'm applying this to the inner corner and then sweeping it onto the lower portion of my eye and then upwards, and then just feathering out the edges so there's no harsh lines. Feathering it inwards onto the lid and into the crease a little bit. It just brightens everything up. Adding a little bit to the brow bone and then feathering that out. I'm being very light-handed with this. I don't want any harsh lines or this to be too bright, just to be a little bit of flash of reflection on the brow bone. Next, I'm drawing on a wing with the Maven Beauty liquid liner, following the upward slope of my lower lash line, and then dragging it inwards toward the center of my lid, making the wing thinner as I go towards the inner corner, dragging it from the inner corner and then connecting it with the rest of the line. Here I'm just making it a little bit thicker and then cleaning it up, filling in the shape. Next, with a shader brush from the craft store in the color Creep, I'm going to smoke out the eyeliner we just applied by applying this on top and then kind of feathering the top edge of the eyeliner to diffuse that harsh line. Just softens up the look a little bit. Also hides any imperfections in the liner. Doing this to the tail of the eyeliner as well. Next, I'm cleaning up the wing. I'm using a little bit of concealer and an e.l.f. concealer brush and just sharpening the bottom edge of the wing to have a harsh, clean line, and then I'm feathering that downwards. I'm going in with Big Bad Lash Mascara from Revlon and then TL19 Lashes from Tati Lashes. That completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe down below and tap the notification bell if you did. I'd love if you could tap the like button. It helps out my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.